Earnings season always great. So Circle had earnings. The support was 92.50, resistance 95, 97, 98. Extended to the downside, bearish bias to short under the pre-market low. So that was the plan. So our plan was already that we're going to short it. So that was our bias because the daily chart is super bearish. When is the daily chart is super bearish on the earnings, you should have initial bearish bias. So as soon as the market opened, I saw that Circle was rejecting the clouds. You see this big rejection candles. That tells you it's going to be a short today. So I told the traders short versus 95. Let the PM low confirm. As soon as the pre-market lows broke down, I told the traders to add more short under pre-market lows and move your stops lower. And we broke down here and we faded all the way down to 87. The first target I gave was 87. The second target I gave was 85. By end of the day, both the targets were met. So even if you risked $1,000 here, by end of the day, you were making 4 or 5 grand. Beautiful risk reward trade. Next setup we're going to look at is Tesla. This was not an earning trade, but the plan was a double MTF. It was a day 2 setup. Sitting on double MTF setup, cautious under that. So we know that there was some kind of bad news on Tesla yesterday, but the thing is it was a double MTF, Ripster Clouds 2021, Ripster Clouds 1 hour, and there was a news yesterday. So I always focus on something which is news yesterday. So it was a day 2 repeatable setup. As soon as it was breaking into the clouds, I told the traders to MTF shorts, put the stops at 41, 441, 440, gave the targets of 434, 435, we hit our 434s, gave the next target of 425, 426. We did not hit our 426 target, but regardless, it was almost $10 to $12 per share profit for the traders. You just need to respect the clouds, hold all the way down. Beautiful trade, very profitable for the traders in the community. Oklo was our long in the morning. Also, we used the MTF clouds to long it. Our pre-market plan on Oklo was bearish buy as long as under 109, short versus MTF. If it holds MTF, avoid the short, look for long if 107 holds. So you see that the pre-market planning on Oklo was already that if it holds, we will look for the long versus 107. So as soon as I see it pushing over the MTF clouds, this becomes an MTF long. That's why I told the trader curl longs, and the flag break, first target 113, second target I gave 115. It hit 113, it hit 115, it hit the MTF clouds right on the top as a target, went towards almost 117. So that was almost $7 per share profit with a risk of $2 to $3. Beautiful trade. And once it rejected here, we took a lot of profit, and when we got out, once it failed the 512 clouds. So this was the morning fast trade from 9:30 to 10 a.m. using the Ripster MTF cloud. Very high probability strategy. Just showed you 3 setups that you can repeat for life.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.